In this video, we explore the causes of hysteresis loss in transformers and why it matters for electrical efficiency. Transformers waste energy when alternating current forces a changing magnetic field in the core. The material resists this change, converting electrical energy into heat, known as hysteresis loss. This wasted energy has a real economic cost. Magnetic domains control the core. In unmagnetized iron, these domains are random, but an external magnetic field forces them to align, effectively magnetizing the material. Within an alternating current cycle, the voltage repeatedly changes direction. This forces the magnetic domains to flip their orientation 50 times every second at 50 Hz. Real magnetic materials possess a form of magnetic memory, resisting rapid changes. The magnetic flux density lags behind the field strength, a phenomenon called hysteresis. Erasing this magnetic memory requires energy, which is lost as heat. The BH loop tracks this magnetization cycle. A wider loop indicates more energy loss, which is why engineers prioritize materials with narrow loops for transformer cores. The Steinmetz equation helps engineers predict hysteresis loss by accounting for material properties, maximum flux density, operating frequency, and the core volume. Overvoltage causes magnetic saturation, where the core can no longer handle the magnetic flux. This state leads to high magnetizing currents, excessive noise, and significant heat generation. Transformers face three primary losses: hysteresis, eddy currents, and copper loss. While laminating the core helps reduce eddy currents, it does not stop hysteresis loss. Choosing the right material is vital. Soft magnetic materials with narrow hysteresis loops are ideal for transformers, whereas hard materials with wide loops are best for permanent magnets. Engineers build ideal cores using silicon steel to improve permeability, utilizing grain orientation to guide flux, and applying heat treatment or annealing to relieve internal stress. Operating frequency dictates material choice. While 50 Hz grid transformers use silicon steel, higher frequencies, such as 100 kHz, require ferrite materials to avoid melting due to extreme heat. Ultimately, managing magnetic domain friction and hysteresis through smart material engineering and design is what keeps our power grid running efficiently.